Me be 2 minutes be. Give you a hard, you know. Mommy be 2 minutes be na me fan here. And for the directors of JB themselves, they've been in that field before, so maybe they will understand the sentiment. A patch up. So John, when him say since Friday, me na papa bia. Nanka mindampo Saturday no, minja bibiampo nanka menda. So me could jam that coin around 9. Wait, 8:30, no watch night. Me jana coin by me be fie no. Me home ruafo ne kokkrafo ne emrantia omo eninam areas. The reason being simple, obi am so be read them. Because you could read them na say woda, e bia na na fa no ntimi anya blasters match ni behind there. Anhwe. In the area where a hoye deeper for the first time. Look, JB, I'm very serious. The area pa for the first time a hoye no. From 8 na till say about 4 a.m. no. In fact, 4 na a hoye din kakra. But what you say hoye bija. A hoye baby a hoye, you know that a hoye baby a hoye bija.
When he brabri.
No, you see, when him me mania, unim, they saw him and out to me.
Adiasem.
When him and I'm sorry. No, to be very honest with you, Obia Nuwa, the West Booking had to be more than fine, no crying at the mammy. And no crano, and coming 48 hours.
Assembly.
Said Unim, said John, Asema when he say the government under the leadership of His Excellency John Dramani Mahama, one ne minister, or no crowd, I don't want to talk about him, I'm saying upon Wedibi. So me fan is in chain. But I think say
Minister Bay.
Nye Kofi Adams. Say hom say apobishe ho ukudibia. Na no one what than Adam.
Assembly.
Hey, Sir John. Maybe they are not appreciating the football economy. Just you know what to say.
To be 6.
Me to 4. Me 4 na me to. Me dey am to me to 120. Let's not to me. But sat na debi bako. Saturday na Ghana nyamo Panama match no. It me turn 120. Ghana ball Panama match ni we no give me to 3 kan ho. It will be 200 cedis. Senior Ben e koto bre me.
Assembly.
Unim. There are a lot of people are omo kra Jesus DBAC academy. Unim say blaster match kakra we kakra no. E create jobs pa. E create a lot of jobs for the youth. It is a nipa kakra bi betina ho. Enipa omu nuru bia me fan say o come nyina bomu a your friend Nkrofobi football people. And now omu de ball no eye business. Hwe ye show no a per time na ready Fentuo Tahiru. Waye thesis bi writer bi wo de ready. Nya time pa na ready. Ade e ha dwen pa ne say obi betimi ahia je obetimi ahia IB obetimi ahia o. Obeka ansem bi a cho but obe free nipa no so me prove no nipa no esuru so eti uko nipa no siu no ko gyan kotwa na koye onko a Sir John hwe se Ghana Blasters ubeye very fair you know say Blasters say egu ya body go krom ha sei ya si nipa no a onim ball ne ball pa wa hye goals no o gyan ne namu hye 6 hwe ahomachi me ye research kakra wo mo metimi ahye 6 goals in the history of football Omunu 10. Omunu 10. Yes, in the if we say football, baby, we are say what Johnny now so much about watch 6 goals. Omunu 10. In the issue of football, Omunu 10. And so you see a flow be some more Takumi. Wo Johnny now so 6 goals. On the average, you're born 90 minutes. Go be per average 15 minutes. 15 minutes be share 1 goal.
2 minutes na yaso.
Maybe me 15 minutes be share 1 goal.
When
Timi enter meba o broken had be acheme. When Timi enter unim when Timi nwura your friend say team nim because league na nye where we di curious in idea no ne resignation letter no what kind okay paragraph 1 2 3 one paragraph 3 no e ho nsem ni nyina
me kra me busa yi se me busa
pregnant
me busa little say ade obesa ba bi wa
yes
because
was say football no say ya anya no off the pitch no ya anya ni yi a ye boa off the pitch no de na wo ho e ho nsem ne wo no it is the government media me say aban no fa ne hunwuram nye dissolve GFA no ye dissolve na se ba ne football no ye se mo football bi o e volleyball. C'est football non say ye mo bie wa ye bebo volleyball cricket cry ho ye bebo cricket now the World Cup ye be je Africa Cup no with this current crop of any GFA way for no ye timi nya African Cup
enti Evans who can go
ye make up see anyina ne say aban no 18 million and ye to about okrum ha say minim say the last elections ye nya ne to aba but registered voters no 18.7 million saban na mo ne ho modern a 4 years be betimi ye na firi ho GFA no electoral college delegate ne koto aba so they say sometimes near interest from the koto aba no omo ye de omo pe aban nwuram no deserve ade no on dissolve GFA because your taxpayers money e ka ho and na blasters obo kwa omo a committee blaster committee no hwan say ready abi munya ka ho aha omo timi je omo adwuma omo timi je omo adwuma akudi akiri omo nya yetu omo ka aban dissolve no so dissolve GFA no odini wudram na FIFA so aban ya ye bobo cricket ukrum ha
kafra why
I just want to choose my most penny
you can you see
now they no me bo we many o
say you can you see the me devil we mu nyina say enura Benjamin Asare sika wo hwie pa wo abrochiri ho no nya asem ketwa sika wo je won fa fie no fa mabobra
ya come wura de we se musa adai
fra ya free mu na eno na
no e kwan ya fa free mu no e ha adwen listen oh there be no jebi
yes you crying
no cry
ya the Germany funny
efrim back oh na say 2010 year free on by how we welcome them so obobo ni ye kwa na free mu a
players
Jordan are you yes
players na koye no Benjamin Asare pen na eba o omo man kan no bi
na hwa
direct
na ha tie ha aha na etimi journalist here demonstration say your football na say ye nya timamu form mo ka ho na ye journalist for enye GFA no react you na journalist na kwa ba ko bi o mo nam kwa akra na metie ni pa na me kwa akra na metie ni pa if you na me jani tie wonim American ko wan say nya bi anko em say ye bounce on the besa why Pepe mumra no I heard you know asema Pepe mu kan nyina bam wonim asema Pepe mu kan nyina about 95% abam about 95% at some Pepe ne was apanimu etina afia kan say Ralph mu kan 95% nyina bam adena mo ha yesa
It started from the coaching
yes
started from the Omuchusu coach no
yes
coach ne records in the first place na nye but your boy Panama ni wie ne de chi ye kakra so oh team ni ye but we got heavily exposed after the Croatia match no
Ghana for me
Emma me wow the only consolation me nya dey say match no ko sha ho match enti ye bo wie na ye lusu ye no obeda no Akoma ba
wo dey timi die wo die me na 3 days wo dey just what timi ada how many
da bi dey timi timi na
masa me kai na me ya
wo timi na de coin me ba ti me ntiase o me bo wo timi na de coin me ba no me ba wo timi na de coin Nanka so beji ana.
Na sister John say also oti ase. Mama tell you ase anye de say ase.
It's a player selection where a writer.
Yes.
Like betumi akoye.
What
happened to Ajiti?
Nani mono.
You can see you put some factors in place and that's you can born into you put into proper context.
Yes.
So ye sasebo ye tumi
kan. Dipo betumi minister no. Ye farmer no. Ni na ntebanda pan on so nsem fon so. Eti yetimi e wo wo ne ho a ne amfa de na ama no.
Yeah, the football economy, no.
Maybe we are not appreciating the football economy.
Jesse now, Mokoton 120, no. And the side Jesse, you turn 15 cities.
Because
one car, abon so.
So 15 cities.
No, they say 15 cities, they be the 8 cities, and they be and they say 12 cities.
Because
abon so.
Yes, 15, so I Jesse number 9 the chiche.
That's what the version.
So John, asema ye kan nya asema ye kan wo. Asema se John ye kan sa no. Hwe ebi ready be anwu. Ono me na ye nim se next week.
Yeah, that is
also
a lawyer or something. Yeah.
The me yakura ne so nim jebi. Omo ball be 15 minutes. Sana e free mo no. E na me doom TV no say ade no de ayeka.
But don't
say me kasaba. Me doom TV ni wie no. Man TV kra ti o.
Symptoms of broken heart TV no.
Deputy. Me doom TV ni wie no. Man TV ahia me so. Me say radio take commentary.
Yeah, symptoms of broken heart.
Yes, me doom TV no. Me tie radio commentary. Eti me TV no ho.
No,
but doom no but na me tie commentary.
Honestly speaking, Sir Joe, you should appreciate the concern of Evans.
Why?
In as much as the sports industry will talk about it is a collective effort and they affect you so. Because with him, say and I kasa asem we wo and I kasa asem we. Say nanka Ghana da so mu a and I say Ghana cry ye connect match. So mo bobo ni yempo.
And
ye free mu a. Na ke beti ase some way somehow. You say you Colombia for there. Yeah, but Kokwasa no mo dey born on the attitude on the field of play and you posture ne as a yen ye nim ball ne ball mo dey mu hwa ye fire ho
ye captain
ye dey say ye nim ball ne ball enti unya ban kra na o take ban no on fa wo ho no seriousness no urgency nothing but at the end of the day
wo crowd there wo no wo crowd there unya broke head because una waji atum say ye be fie.
Oh, that's what I told you. Me catch you. You see, if I finish here, but no problem. Oh, and when you fast over fear, no, and they the biggest headache. Look at what happened to Senegal. Senegal for it's a hunu no mudi no. Sana Ghana some hunu. It's a funa Ghana for a first a black for the
Senegal for that's all.
The expectation from Senegal and Ghana are different.
Different than they.
No, I mean Senegal will be our African champion. Now,
Senegal African champion.
Oh yes,
you can't call them African champion because their case is
I
still.
didn't know some fanko. But Ghana went to qualify and quay. Went to qualify Crown Afcon. Now I know Senegal from now from how
no. Let us not compare that.
The West FA Ghana in
let us not compare that.
The West FA.
Mami Ajua, besi yen kokrom. E wo se ye kototo bibia wo